Very warm greetings to all the respected dignitaries, alumni members, and all the participants. My name is Deepthi MV, and I am from 2016-2020 Electrical and Electronics Engineering batch of Vidya Academy of Science and Technology. Welcome to the launch of Together We Build webinar series conducted by Association of Vidya Alumni, AVA. The Association of Vidya Alumni was founded in the year of 2007 in the name of Vidya Alumni Association, and later on it was renamed to Association of Vidya Alumni along with its sub-chapters at various parts of the world. Now, AVA has sub-chapters at UAE, which is the most active sub-chapter association of Vidya Alumni. It also has sub-chapters at Oman, Qatar, and Bangalore. The current strength of alumni members of AVA is 6,500, constituted by 5,500 BTech graduates and 417 MTech postgraduates and 584 MCA graduates. AVA has been contributing on lots of social commitment activities. It has been providing scholarships to students studying in Vidya, and it has been supporting the alma mater in various programs like Engineer K.R. Brahmadattan Football Tournament, establishment of football court in our campus, and in many other ventures. Today, we are going to have the launch of the program along with the first webinar session on Introduction to Infrastructure Businesses and MEP System by Mr. Sriraj Keraj, our alumnus from the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. Let us start the session with the welcome address. I invite Mrs. Fetsi K. Francis, Vice President, Association of Vidya Alumni, for the welcome address.
Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Fetsi K. Francis, belongs to Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, VAST, and also the alumni from first batch. I am very pleased to be here today for the opening of this webinar on Together We Build. This is the first part of our webinar series out of 7. The main agenda of this webinar series is to get to know about the recent developments and technologies from the industrial world and to get some insight about the career path for the budding engineers. First of all, let me welcome our respected principal and President of Association of Vidya Alumni, Dr. Saji CP sir, to this program. Welcome, sir. Our webinar series, Together We Build, is going to be inaugurated by Dr. Ajay Kumar sir, Executive Committee member, Vidya International Charitable Trust, and in charge of alumni activities. I heartily welcome Dr. Ajay Kumar sir to this program. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite our guest today. He has a broad experience in executing prestigious projects across the world, like defense projects, new dry dock for Cochin Shipyard, various AIIMS and other reputed hospital, etc. I welcome Mr. Sriraj Keraj to this program.
Thank you.
Welcome, Sriraj. Next, I would like to invite our Dr. Sudha Balagopalan, Dean Academics VAST and Advisor of Association of Vidya Alumni to this program. It was her initiative to conduct this program today. Welcome you, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Arjun Aravid, Vice Chairman of Association of Vidya Alumni, and Mrs. Aishwarya Vipin to this program. Next, I would like to invite all trust members, especially Engineer P.K. Ashokan sir, and all alumni members who have gathered here to this program. Finally, I feel honored to welcome all the participants and my fellow colleagues for taking a keen interest in participating in this webinar series. Welcome you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I invite Dr. C.P. Saji, Principal, Vidya Academy of Science and Technology and President AVA for the Presidential Address.
Yeah, thank you very much. Our guest of honor, Dr. V.S. Ajay Kumar, executive committee member, as well as in charge of the alumni affairs of the ICT. Our alumnus and resource person for the day, Sri Srirag K. Raj, of 2003-2007 batch. In fact, from the first batch of Vidya. Sri Ajin Arvind, the very active vice chairman of the Association of Alumni. Our distinguished well-wishers, including Chief Patron, Executive Director, Administration and Finance Director, Dean Academics, Vice Principal, other officials of AV, Ms. Fetsy Francis, Ms. Ramya, Ms. Deepthi, head of various departments, staff members, alumni members, in fact, are joining from various parts of the world. Attending students who are the part and parcel of Vidya, and all the well-wishers who are with us today, a very good, warm evening to all of you. In fact, it's a very proud moment for all of us. Our own alumnus, Sri Srirag, is addressing us today. In fact, probably all of you are aware, when every single person, every single student joins Vidya, our teachers start a dream. They dream about the day when our students get graduated and they move out to the world to face the challenges of the world, as well as to contribute to the world with the highest values of ethics, professional as well as personal life. This has been Vidya's specialty. And the day when they pass out, upholding the values, then they start contributing to the society. And teachers always has been successful in realizing this dream. And our alumnus on the other side, alumni also has been very graceful and always so passionate about Vidya. Vidya's success, Vidya's growth, Vidya's brand always has been this kind of connect between the students, teachers, alumnus, parents, and all of the stakeholders in the society. This way, what makes Vidya special is this connect between individuals. Our alumni also have been very kind enough to contribute, discuss, and being with Vidya always. Now, very specifically, in different sectors, our alumni contribute. Whether it is volunteering to support the society, especially in calamities, you might have seen the last flood whenever it happened, our alumni was there to support. When the recent COVID-19 epidemic, which is happening right now, alumni is there to support. And the other side, our alumni extend all the support for placements, placing our current students when they come out from the campus, our alumni support, which is great. They are also planning, they are also giving support in incubations and startup initiatives from our students, especially the alumni chapter in Kuwait, Saudi, etc., help us in this regard. And they also are planning to support the infrastructure development of this alma mater. What a great thought. The sharing the experience when they after their life from Vidya, facing the life outside, sharing the experience with the juniors, the current set of students in Vidya, is another area the alumni is contributing. This webinar is an outcome of such kind of a thought. Let me take this opportunity to thank all our alumni members for extending this connect with their alma mater, as well as ensuring that they are contributing in all these sectors which have been discussed right now. I'm sure we'll be doing it much more in a very much more systematic manner hereafter. And this is a good initiative, good start for all of us. Dear students who are attending the program today, budding engineers, it is extremely important in life that you, along with your academics, you have good networking, learning from the experience of ourselves as well as others. This is a platform for that. You are fortunate to have such kind of strong alumni, passionate alumni to support you. I hope you will make maximum use out of this kind of a network from hereafter. I wish all of you all the very best, and take this opportunity to appreciate the alumni members for coming forward, keeping connect with their alma mater. We are so passionate to see you. We love seeing you, connecting with you every day. Keep in touch. Hearty congratulations to all those who are worked hard for organizing this program. I wish all the very success to the program and all the webinars to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, I invite Dr. Ajay Kumar V.S., EC member in the International Charitable Trust. Dr. V.S. Ajay Kumar is the Medical Director and Partner of Al Kamal Medical Center in Abu Dhabi. He began practice in Abu Dhabi in his own outpatient clinic in 1985, which has now grown into a multi-specialty medical center. Dr. Ajay Kumar hails from Thrissur. He graduated from Calicut Medical College and earned his post-graduation from the Government Medical College, Baroda. His relationship with Vidya is deep-rooted. He is one of the founder member of the trust and has been part of all the executive committees of VICT, bearing various significant posts. He was the first chairman of Vidya, subsequently the secretary, and has actively managed the college affairs for many years. In the current executive committee, he is responsible for the alumni affairs. Dr. Ajay Kumar has always expressed a keen interest in the Alumni Association. His interest also reflects the care and regard the trust has towards the students and alumni of Vidya College. We welcome you, sir, for the inaugural address.
Good evening. Thank you, Deepthi, for your kind words. I have a clarification from the, there is a clarification. I am not the first chairman. I was the first vice chairman. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
I'm grateful. Sorry.
You're also wise, so it does not matter.
It's okay. I'm grateful to the organizers for inviting me to kickstart the Rejuvenated Vidya Alumni Gathering. I fondly remember attending the formation meeting of the Association of Vidya Alumni many years back, spearheaded by Mr. Jinto. I'm confident that AVA, under the leadership of Dr. Saji, Ajin, Betsy, Remya, Ramesh, Anthony, and other EC members can bring great enthusiasm and new idea to revitalize this group. Fortunately, we have the energetic and enthusiastic Dean, Dr. Sudha, in the role of the mentor. I'm also happy to know that Dr. Nitin Padmanabhan is keen to be involved in the activities of AVA. To me, the relationship of the trust and alumni is similar to parents and children. The trust and the college as parents have involved in the process of nurturing you in your formative years. You have now matured, developed wings, and flown out to the world, seeking opportunities and growth. Meanwhile, the parents continue to foster and support more children. It is at this point that the alumni has a major role to play, the role of the older siblings. Let me borrow the words of Nitin to explain this better. To give back to our juniors, whatever knowledge we have or gain, so that it may help them cross some of the hurdles at a better pace than us. I hope these words of Nitin give you a better clarity about your role. As elders, with greater exposure and awareness, you will be able to guide the youngsters in areas of placement, entrepreneurship, association with the industry, higher education, and research. WAST is a very young institution, and therefore its alumni association is also at an amateur state. But that need not discourage you at all. All institutions were young at some point. All of them have had setbacks, corrected themselves, and moved forward. In my opinion, dedicated effort, be it individual or collective, is the backbone of any successful organization. With commitment and perseverance, AVA can certainly attain its goals. I wonder how many among you are aware of Vidya's scholarship program? Vidya allocates approximately 1.45 crore per year as scholarship for its 2 institutions in its annual budget. Let me assure you that during the entire period of its operation, neither the trust nor the trustees have taken any material benefit out of this. It will lessen our burden if you are able to render a helping hand in this noble venture. At this point, I am glad to inform you that the alumni of UAE have offered 2 scholarships for this year. The college, its students, and the alumni are very dear to each and every Vidya trustee. It is with personal pride that we celebrate your triumphs and achievements. It is heartening to see the sentiment reciprocated by the alumni. Your sincere desire to give back to the institution and to the society is commendable. The trust has given and continues to give its best effort to place WASP in the forefront of engineering education. It is our hope and prayer that as alumni, you will imbibe the same spirit to support and uplift your alma mater. Wishing the Association of Vidya Alumni successful days ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now, let us invite Dean Academics, Vidya Academy of Science and Technology, and Advisor AVA, Dr. Sudha Balagopalan, for the special address. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Deepthi. I think I feel quite overcome seeing the very dear faces on the screen. They were sitting in our classes long time back, and now they are here on the screen. So it's a very fulfilling moment. Okay. So meanwhile, let me wish good evening to everyone here. It's a big mixture. It's in fact it's an appropriate mixture. We have all the stakeholders right now here. We have our own management. Then again, our principal has also many HODs. I see that several HODs are here. And then again, the teaching faculty, the supporting staff, the students. Some students are definitely here. Our alumni, and then since it's happening at home, we also have the parents somewhere at the background. So it's a very appropriate mixture that we are having here. And but of course, I did not want to talk much, but our executive director and our principal felt that I should say something. In fact, I feel so overcome that words are escaping me. But at the same time, let me try to talk a little to the students who must have logged in here. All the others, okay, other than students, have reached a particular point in life, and now it is the students who have to slowly make inroads and acquire a career. That's going to be their aim. So now, what is happening now? Okay, so we are having the alumni on one side, and both are students. Okay, students in those old days, and then the students who are currently being taught by us right now. Okay, so let me hope that the students here understand that these people who are now being called as alumni were in the same seats, were sitting in the same chairs that you are now occupying. And we used to scold them, we used to correct them. In fact, most of them have got some punishment or the other. We used to correct their papers, etc. But at the same time, they realize, at least now, that it was all a part of nurturing. And of course, they also got only the kind of knowledge that we could enable during those days when curriculum has also both the theory classes as also the laboratory and some of the industrial visits, etc., that we could arrange them was the only acquisition that they had during those times. But then they went further, and it's a fulfilling moment when we read out manager, senior manager, when we realize that they came to us so innocent, so naive at that point of time. And then we slowly did convert them. We did nurture them. And now we can call them senior manager, etc. And that gives a lot of fulfillment to all of us. In fact, in the earlier days, that is, I see most of the people from the first batch. In the earlier days, there was no departmental separation at all. In fact, I've taught all the 4 branches at that point of time, and there are several teachers here who knew them by name. by their handwriting, by their character. In all aspects, we used to get to know them very much appropriately. And it was definitely a nurturing situation. And that's the trend that we are continuing. Even now, we are continuing the same trend. And then please notice what is happening. They want to come back. Okay, now they are they want to come back, do something, and whatever exposure and experience that they gained after going from here, they want to share with you people. Okay, this is a beautiful moment for us. This is a beautiful thought that we definitely should absorb and build on it and go to the next plane. So this is the first point that I wanted to make. That is the sharing of exposure and experience is what these, though they were taught the same thing, now they've acquired different experiences. They went to different areas, different parts of the world, including different parts of the world, and they acquired different things. And this is what they want to give back to the institution and to you people specifically, to the students specifically. That is one thing. Second is, of course, the feeling of belonging. Okay, the nostalgia that they have, the pleasure that they feel when they see our faces or hear a few words from us. This is what the students should understand. That kind of belonging to Vidya. That is, we are of Vidya. Vidya, that's what they call themselves. That kind of belonging is what actually is the gift that the students are giving back to the institution, to each of us individuals, the individuals as teachers who have addressed them. In fact, I see several faces coming and going. It's a matter of great. And I understand that the pleasure is shared by all teachers who have had the pleasure of teaching them or interacting with these students out there. So that's the second thing. That is, the feeling of belonging is very, very important. That will be the motivating factor. That will be the driving force which will take you places, because one day you have to come back. One day the students here have to come back and give back whatever you get from there to the succeeding generations of the students who have to come to Vidya. Okay? So Vidya has to last. If Vidya has to last, we need to have lasting interactions, lasting relationships with the alumni. So this is where we definitely extend our hands to you. Okay? And I have always maintained that this is our right, the right that you have given us to ask you to help us in all aspects, whatever aspects that you can add. One, of course, is going to be any area of employment for the students who are slowly going to come out of the institution. And these are very troubling times. You know that COVID-19 has not only resulted in too much of fear and scare. There's also an economic content and an aspect associated with the downing of the economy, etc. So definitely we need your help. We need your help to place our students, because a family will be a savior to a family if you can find some avenues for the employment. And moreover, and there's some kind of training if they require, if that also you can give. That is exactly one thing that we as an institution can definitely stretch our hands to you and ask you for help. So that's one thing. Second is, of course, our the trust, the attitude the attitude, as also the generosity. I don't believe that there is a trust of this kind. There is a management of this kind which continues to care and have concern for its for the alumni who have already gone out from the institute. I have never seen this kind of care and concern, and so you are fortunate. The students who are studying in Vidya are definitely fortunate to have such a nurturing society as the management here. So now, as was mentioned here, the scholarship is definitely something that some of the people have to give back, because these are troubling times. You know that we have a lot of difficulties. Many students have difficulties, and the institution will also accordingly suffer, and the institution has to last. Has to last. The alumni should be one set of people who should be able to support the students. They are already doing a lot. I believe that this has to magnify. The effort has to magnify, and it has to be maybe called as a movement. And I have always maintained that even earlier, when we used to conduct some programs, like for the first international conference, the roll of notes, the soiled, the sweaty roll of notes that the students handed over to me for the first conference was more valuable In fact, I have not counted it even now. I don't intend to count it, because the money is the value is not in the money, but in the diksha that you have given back to us to support the students who are right now within the institution. That's the second thing. That is the in terms of supporting the students is going to be an important experience from you people out there. But of course, you are very young. Your career graph is taking off. But at the same time, whatever you can do, I hope that it will be done. Third is, of course, it's a technical institution, so technical requirements are there. We have laboratories, and we have softwares. We have we have lab time in the laboratories outside. All these are some of the possibilities that you may have some role in some role. Like for instance, Nitin was mentioning about a lab that can be kept open for some of our students, though the lab happens to be in Waterloo, that is in Canada. So if all these facilities can be extended, I think the learning graph of our students will be better. They will be they may be what may be called as more placeable, and the history of Vidya will contribute to the future of Vidya. So this is exactly what I want to speak to all of you. We will always be there for you at any in any of your even when you are having difficulties, because COVID-19 affects many people. So even if you are having difficulties, please remember that the institution is always like a mother to you, the mother who will never break connections with you. So thank you for being here, and that in itself is a fulfilling thought for all of us. And I feel that most of us are seeing your faces and forgetting what we have to say. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am, for the words filled with motivation. Thank you so much. Next, I invite Mr. Ajin Aravind, Vice Chairman, AVA, for the felicitation.
Good evening, all. Together We Build is one of the prestigious initiatives from the Association of Vidya Alumni in the year 1920. I hope you all can hear me. The scope of this project is not limited to webinars, but also to the post-pandemic activities like live session, real-life practical industrial training, real-life exposure to various engineering scenarios, internship, job opportunities, startups, angel investments, etc. So I'm taking this opportunity to start this first thing as a webinar series. And after that, we will be continuing with the ongoing activities of alumni to give maximum support to the students of Vidya and to give our institution back what we learned from the real life experiences in life. I'm very grateful to the Vidya International Charitable Trust, Ashokan sir, Dr. Ajay Kumar sir, for supporting us even long after our studies has completed and our college times. Thank you, sirs. Dr. Sudha Balagopalan, no words to mention her. Thanks, ma'am, for helping and coordinating the whole event and mentoring all the activities of Alumni Association. Thank you very much. And Dr. Saji CB, our principal, for all his guidance and all the support he's been giving for the Alumni Association. Thank you, sir. And I'm extending my support to all the alumni members, faculties of Vidya, and students of Vidya. Good luck with Sri Rag for his upcoming session in MEP. I hope you all have a good evening. Thank you all. Thank you very much.